Hey there, fellow travelers! Traveling on a budget doesn't mean giving up comfort or convenience. With the right packing list, you can have everything you need without overpacking or blowing your budget. Let's dive into your ultimate budget travel packing list for your next adventure. First up, travel documents and essentials. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates and check the visa requirements for your destination. Travel insurance is a must to protect you from unexpected expenses. Keep digital and physical copies of important documents like your passport, visa, travel insurance, and itinerary. Carry a mix of local currency, a debit card, and a credit card. And don't forget to inform your bank about your travel plans. A little tip: use a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your valuables safe. Now let's talk clothing. Pack versatile, lightweight, quick-dry clothes that you can mix and match. Neutral colors work best for maximum flexibility. Bring weather-appropriate gear like a lightweight jacket or raincoat, a hat, and sunglasses. Comfortable shoes are a must. Pack a pair of sturdy walking shoes, sandals, and flip-flops. And don't forget your swimsuit if you're heading to the beach or have access to a pool. Comfortable sleepwear that can double as loungewear is also a good idea. Pro tip: roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Next, toiletries. Travel-sized toiletries are your best friend. Think shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, and lotion. Use a travel case to keep your toothbrush clean and choose a compact, long-lasting deodorant. If you need a razor and shaving cream, opt for travel-sized or disposable options. Bring a compact, foldable hairbrush or comb, and don't forget feminine hygiene products if needed. Medications are crucial too. Pack any prescriptions along with a basic first aid kit containing pain relievers, Band-Aids, and antiseptic wipes. Tip: use reusable toiletry containers to save money and reduce waste. Organize your toiletries in a travel bag to keep everything in place and easily accessible. For electronics, your smartphone is essential for communication, navigation, and entertainment. Keep your devices charged with a compact charger and a portable power bank. If you want better photos than your smartphone can provide, bring a small, high-quality camera. Check the power outlets at your destination and bring the necessary adapters. Don't forget a pair of noise-canceling headphones for flights and noisy environments. A handy tip: use a cable organizer to keep your cords and chargers tidy. When it comes to travel accessories, a small backpack or day pack is essential for day trips and exploring. Stay hydrated and save money by refilling a reusable water bottle. For comfortable flights and bus rides, bring a travel pillow and eye mask. A quick-dry, compact towel is handy for the beach or hostel showers. A reusable shopping bag is useful for groceries and souvenirs. And a notebook and pen are great for journaling, planning, or jotting down important information. Tip: choose a backpack with multiple compartments to keep your belongings organized. Lastly, safety and health. Pack face masks and hand sanitizer for hygiene and safety. Include a first aid kit with Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. Protect yourself from sunburn and insect bites with sunscreen and insect repellent. If you're traveling alone, consider personal safety items like a whistle, doorstop alarm, or personal safety alarm. A little tip: pack a small sewing kit for quick repairs on the go. Remember, packing smart is key to a successful budget trip. By bringing versatile, essential items and minimizing unnecessary extras, you can travel comfortably and efficiently. Use this budget travel packing list to make sure you have everything you need for your next adventure without overpacking or overspending. Safe travels!